First one, bleaching powder formula is what? Bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. Second, chemical name is very important. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium chlorohypochlorite, and usually called as chloride of lime also. And its structural information Ca bond Cl OCl. You can split like this: Ca plus 2, Cl minus, OCl minus. So here chlorine oxidation number is -1. Here oxygen -2, chlorine take as X is equal to -1. Answer will be what? +1. So in bleaching powder, chlorine oxidation numbers are what? -1 and +1 is very important. If you are using the regular calculation, this is +2, oxygen -2, answer will be 0, but absolutely wrong. In bleaching powder, chlorine oxidation numbers are what? -1 and +1. And next question. The oxidation state of chromium in chromium peroxide, CrO5. Name is chromium peroxide. So routine calculation, you will get answer +10, but immediately you will be getting idea highest possible oxidation number in chemistry is only +8. +10 means absolutely wrong. Like ऐसा idea आएगा. So अभी थोड़ा structure देखे तो मालूम हो जाएगा. Chromium CrO5 chromium peroxide. CrO5 name is what? Chromium peroxide. CrO5 structure देख लेना एक बार. Chromium peroxide structure. This is the structure of chromium peroxide. Just see the structure of chromium peroxide. Out of 5 oxygens, 4 oxygens in the mode of -1. Peroxy mode. So 4 oxygens shows -1. 4 oxygens shows -1 oxidation number. 4 oxygens showing -1 and 1 oxygen is -2. So now you can calculate chromium oxidation number. X plus 4 into -1 plus 1 into -2 is equal to 0. -4 -2 -6 is equal to 0. X is equal to +6. So in CrO5, chromium oxidation number is +6. Out of 5 oxygens, 4 shows -1, 1 shows -2. And one more point, chromium highest possible oxidation number is what? +6. More than +6 oxidation state is impossible for chromium. Now, this one is very easiest question. The maximum oxidation state exhibited by, in total chemistry, highest possible oxidation number is +8, and +8 exhibiting elements only 3. They are ruthenium, osmium, and xenon in their oxides. Especially oxides are what? Ruthenium tetroxide, osmium tetroxide, xenon tetroxide. In these 3 examples, the oxidation number is +8. Now, this is the oxidation number of oxygen in potassium ozonide. Potassium ozonide formula is KO3. This one very easy to get idea. This one very easy because potassium potassium ozonide formula is KO3. Potassium belong to first A group. First A group elements always shows only +1. Simply you can calculate 1 plus 3x is equal to 0, 3x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1/3. So this is most unstable compound, but answer is what? -1/3. Now, this is repeated in competitive examination. Oxidation state of nitrogen in hydrojoic acid. N3H name is hydrojoic acid. N3H name is what? Hydrojoic acid. N3H name is hydrojoic acid. You can split N3 minus called as azide ion. In azide, nitrogen oxidation number is what? Such type of question also possible. In N3 minus, you can calculate 3x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1/3. Or similarly in N3H also same way. Hydrogen is +1. Hydrogen always shows +1, not always here. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to -1. X is equal to -1/3. Here one more bit repeated in competitive examination. Azide ion contain how many electrons? Azide ion means N3 minus. Nitrogen has 7 electrons. 7, 3 into 7, 21 plus 1 electron, 1 unit negative charge. So 22 electrons. Azide ion contain how many electrons? 22 electrons. Just see once, hydrojoic acid formula is N3H. Its ion is called azide ion. Azide ion is N3 minus, contain 22 electrons. Their oxidation number is -1/3. The oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO5. H2SO5 name is H2SO5. H2SO5 name is peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. This is also called Carros acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid also called what? Carros acid. So in regular way, if you are approaching, definitely answer will be +8. Because 5 into -2 -10, no? This is +2, answer will be +8. But sulfur belongs to which group? Sulfur belongs to 6th group. For any group, oxidation number never exceeds more than group number. So sulfur highest possible oxidation number is +6. Let us discuss the structure. This is peroxymonosulfuric acid structure. Here 5 oxygens there. Out of 5 oxygens, these 2 are what? Peroxy bond shows -1, and these 3 oxygen shows -2. So here out of 5 oxygens, 3 shows what? -2, and 2 oxygen shows -1. So now you can calculate in H2SO5, 2 into +1 plus x plus 3 into -2 plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0. 2 plus x minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to +6 is the answer. Keep in your mind. And next question. Oxidation number of sulfur in H2S2O8. H2S2O8. H2S2O8 name is peroxy disulfuric acid. peroxydisulfuric acid, also called Marshall's acid. Also called Marshall's acid. Its structure is this is the structure of peroxydisulfuric acid. Here total how many oxygens? Total 8 oxygens. Total 8 oxygens. From 8 oxygens, 2 shows -1, left over 6 shows -2. So from 8 oxygens, 6 shows -2, 2 oxygen shows -1. Now you can calculate H2S2O8, H2S2O8. In H2S2O8, 2 into +1 plus 2x plus 6 into -2 plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 12, x is equal to plus 6 is the answer. Okay, check once. Now, what is the oxidation number of nitrogen? What are the oxidation numbers of nitrogen in ammonium nitrite? Ammonium nitrite. First of all, ammonium nitrite formula is what? Ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite formula is NH4NO2. 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 Split the salt. NH4 plus NO2 minus. This is ammonium ion. This is ammonium ion. This one is nitrite ion. So now you can calculate. Here plus 4 is equal to -1. Answer is what? -3. Here answer is what? -4. 2 into -2 -4 is equal to -1. Answer is +3. So in ammonium nitrite, nitrogen oxidation numbers are what? -3 and +3. And similarly, you take the another question, ammonium nitrate. You take ammonium nitrate. What is the formula of ammonium nitrate? NH4NO3. Ammonium nitrate formula. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate formula is NH4NO3. NH4NO3 gives rise to what? NH4 plus NO3 minus. This is ammonium ion. This is nitrate ion. Here nitrogen oxidation number is what? +5. Here nitrogen oxidation number is -3. So in ammonium nitrate, nitrogen oxidation numbers are what? -3 and +5 nitrate. Now see this one. What is the oxidation state of sulfur in S8? Sulfur S8 structure important, very important. Sulfur molecular formula is S8. Sulfur molecular S8, 8x is equal to 0. So in S8, sulfur oxidation number is what? 0. In S8, sulfur oxidation number is what? 0. And another important, in sulfur molecular structure is crown structure. Every sulfur linked with 2 sulfurs. This is also very important bit. Next one, the oxidation number of phosphorus in BaH2PO2 taken twice. The way of the getting answer by routine calculation also you can do BaH2PO2 taken twice. You can split barium belong to second group, always shows +2, and H2PO2 taken twice na -1, H2PO2 -1. Like this also you can calculate phosphorus oxidation number. So what you will get? +2 +4 is equal to -1. Answer is what? +1 you will get. Otherwise, you can calculate like barium +2, hydrogen +1, 2 hydrogens, barium is +2, 4 hydrogens +1, and +2x plus -8 is equal to 0 also you can calculate. So you can calculate in any way. Barium BaH2PO2 taken twice. You can split or you can calculate in regular way. So what is the answer? Answer is what? What you are getting answer? Answer is +1. So this is normal question only. This one repeated in many times in competitive examination. The brown ring complex compound formulated as FeH2O taken 5 times NO plus SO4. Oxidation state of iron is. First question, brown ring test is used for the confirmatory test for nitrate ion. Whether in your sample contain NO3 minus or not, for that confirmation we are using brown ring test. In second year practical examination, this will be the one of the best question for Viva also. Brown ring formula is what, and brown ring test is performed, purpose is what, such type of questions. Here H2O is neutral one, 0, SO4 is -2, NO is +1. So you will get the correct answer is what? +1 in brown ring. So understood now? SO4 is -2, NO is +1, H2O is 0. So what you are getting? X plus 5 into 0 plus +1 -2 is equal to. So you will get the answer is what? +1 in brown ring formula. Brown ring test purpose is what? And in brown ring oxidation number of iron is also very important bit. The oxidation number of Fe in Fe3O4. Fe in Fe3O4. This is somewhat interesting question. Based on options you have to approach. Fe3O4 is a mixed oxide of FeO and Fe2O3. So here iron oxidation number is +2. Here iron oxidation number is +3. So what are the iron oxidation numbers in Fe3O4 means? Answer +2, +3. A mixed oxide है, इसमें mixed oxide का FeO and Fe2O3. This is ferrous oxide. This is ferric oxide. So based on options, आप select कर सकते. इसमें answer is what? +2 and +3. And immediately same question in different way I created. What is the average oxidation state of iron in Fe3O4? You will get routine way of the concept. 3x plus 4 into -2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to understood now? Routine system Fe3O4 3x plus 4 into -2 is equal to 0. 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to +8. X is equal to 8 by 3. So answer is understood. Based on options you have to approach. So next one, this is another important one. Oxidation number of sodium in sodium amalgam. Anywhere metals combines with mercury, they are called amalgams. Sodium with mercury, what? Sodium amalgam. Zinc with mercury, what? Zinc amalgam. Amalgams are treated as alloys. In amalgams, there is no transfer of electron. In amalgams, whatever element question asking, both the element oxidation number is 0. Here, oxidation number of sodium in sodium amalgam is 0. Even mercury also 0. Any metal combined with mercury, it is called as amalgam. Amalgams are treated as alloys. In amalgams, there is no transfer of electron. So I will try to give many questions based on this concept. Just today, we finished 15 questions. Listen carefully, just 2-3 times, you will get clear picture. Okay, thank you, take care.